It should not be like a silent workplace, because people should say what they mean. And if the idea is to bring some changes, it's a good thing. But if it's not going to change something, maybe you should not say it. If Kirsten had talked to you yesterday and you've heard some negative things about me, you will be affected of that while we're talking right now.
Yeah, it would prejudice my thinking.
Yeah, right.
I think that is really important in our organizations, in our teams, and the people that we work with, that we don't remove or limit the trust that we have. And if we look at something and notice, actually, how would I feel about this? We might just need to open it up and be more transparent and bring some honesty and candor to the table. And through that, we can restore that trust and maintain it.
It's quite difficult to come into a room and people are gossiping and to say, please do not gossip, because we are all doing that. So should we sit on our high horses and say, you don't want to hear that? Or so we should start with ourselves and just raise awareness, increase awareness of what we're talking about.
As Gib Sams, you are working, the charity's mission is to reduce suicides in Gibraltar. And the reason for talking about the workplace today is that the workplace is somewhere that we spend a lot of our time, and therefore it can have a big impact on how we feel and on our mental health.
Absolutely. So our core mission as Gib Sams is to prevent suicide, and our core offering is our listening service. But obviously, as Gib Sams, we've been looking more broadly at the impacts and the reasons why people perhaps get to the point where suicide seems a good option. And that's why we've reached out and extended our work on the preventative side in the workplaces. As you say, Jonathan, we spend a lot of time at work, and if things are challenging there, that can have a big impact. Additionally, if we have challenges at home and at work at the same time, then often that just tips the scale. So we want to ensure that organizations are aware of this, and obviously it's in their benefit to have people that are, thriving and doing well. They will ultimately perform at a higher level. Obviously that benefits the organization, but it also benefits us as individuals, because we can bring our full selves and all our talents to the workplace and make a difference.